In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multilingual website using Wix Editor or Studio. This is a fantastic way to reach a broader audience, and with Wix, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open the Wix Editor or Studio through your Chrome browser. Using Chrome ensures compatibility and an optimal experience with Wix's features. Once you're in the editor, head over to your site's dashboard. This is your command center for managing your website's settings, features, and much more. Now look for the Wix Multilingual feature. It's conveniently located in the dashboard menu, specifically under the Settings or Site Settings section. The multilingual feature is key to adding multiple languages to your site, and Wix has made it quite accessible. Once you've opened the Wix Multilingual feature, it's time to add the languages you want your website to support. Consider your target audience when deciding which languages to add. This could be based on geographical reach or your audience's preferences. When you select a language, Wix will integrate it into your site structure, preparing it for content translation. Now comes the translation part. Translate your site content either manually or take advantage of Wix's translation tools. If you have the capability and resources, manually translating content allows for nuanced and culturally appropriate messaging. Alternatively, Wix's translation tools offer a quick and fairly accurate way to translate your site's text. These tools can be especially useful for simpler text or if you're in a time crunch. Keep in mind, however, that machine translations might not always capture the full cultural context or tone, so it's wise to review the translations before finalizing them. With your content translated, the next step is to customize the language switcher. This is the widget allowing visitors to switch between languages on your site. Wix lets you design and place the switcher in a way that best suits your site's design. For optimal user experience, place the language switcher in a prominent spot on your page, ideally at the top or in the main menu, to ensure visitors can easily find and use it. Customizing the design also helps it blend seamlessly with your site's aesthetic, maintaining a professional appearance. Finally, after you've completed these steps, don't forget to save your work. Review your site to ensure everything looks as expected and that the switcher functions correctly. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button to take your newly multilingual site live. It's always a good idea to do one last check once your site is live to make sure all languages are displaying correctly and translations are accurate. By following these steps, you've now transformed your website into a multilingual platform. This will not only enhance user experience for international visitors, but also potentially broaden your site's reach and engagement. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.